Welcome to our art studio setup video today. We'll guide you through creating your perfect art space. Let's get started. Clear the area and clean the room thoroughly. Flowers makes for a great start. Organize your art supplies with aesthetic art pieces and containers to keep everything easily accessible. You may establish a method for organizing your completed artworks. Consider using folders or portfolios. Plants add a touch of nature and freshness to your art studio. They can also improve your quality. Make your art studio uniquely yours with personal touches that inspire your creativity. A desk with natural elements creates a calming and harmonious atmosphere for artistic expression. Create an inspirational wall with your artwork or quotes to keep you motivated. Create a method for organizing your completed artworks. Colors and brushes in harmony, art creates a beautiful symphony. Let your imagination dance on the canvas, and your art will make hearts enchant. Within the strokes lies the soul, expressing emotions untold. Proper lighting is crucial for your art studio. Use adjustable lamps and fixtures to get the perfect illumination. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more art-related content. Bye!